Hey my queens, so we are going to recreate this eye look over here. I did do this eye look completely over on my YouTube channel, and we'll have like full details on how I did this over there. I will show y'all step by step here. I only get 10 minutes here. This is going to take a little bit longer than 10 minutes, so I'm going to try to show you each step and then stop and blend and all that good stuff. I am going to be using the Cosmic Brushes brand along with the Terra Moon. And then that shimmer is Cosmic Karma Cosmetics shimmer right here. It's right in that crease. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started without any further ado. I'm going to go in first with the Terra Moon. I did prime my lids before y'all ask because I'm not showing it. I went in with about face. Some people say this is too dry for them. I like it. I just coat my lid and then pat it in so I don't have no creasing, and it works beautiful for me. I don't have to set it or anything else. It does exactly what I needed to do. So going in with a nice little dense brush in this shade right here. It's just a nice purple. You want to start shaping your top part of this look. And don't worry about it getting messy. We will cut the crease. Mainly want to focus on getting that color laid down. So I'm just stamping it. I'm not doing no kind of blending right this second. That will come in all time. Just like so. You want to make sure, of course, they're cohesive. Then I'm going to go in with this beautiful blue right here. And we're going to stamp that bad boy in. Next part is a little round brush. And right where I stopped that purple, I'm going to just pick up that blue and bring it upwards like that just to kind of wing it out. Again, it's going to trust the process. Now we can start adding the other shades and start blending a little bit. I want to go in with this shade. I'm going to go in with Make-A-Wish and Pixie. Those two shades. Bring it right here with that purple and blend it. This is going to take me a little bit, so I'll be right back. And I just kind of went over top of everything with that Make-A-Wish to give it that more airbrush look. Now going in over here, I want to take a little fluffy brush and go in with a Wake and Echo. And doing the same thing, just lightly going over top of that to give it a nice little rounded blend. See how nicely it looks now. Now we're going to cut that crease because it's so messy underneath. I'm going to go in with a P. Louise cut cover right here. This is the first time I'm actually using this. I just take my brush and it says to wet all the bristles right there. I go in and start where you want to clean up at lightly. Now see how it starts cleaning up. Now today is April 1st, April Fool's Day. Happy April Fool's Day to everyone. Not particular my favorite day of the year. It is my brother's birthday, which I love and adore, but unfortunately my brother got murdered 6 years ago. So we have to celebrate his birthday without him. So y'all might see me quite a bit on here today, just trying to stay busy. Might be showing y'all some products, decluttering products, what have you, just to kind of keep my mind going and not in a standstill. is the best way for me. And I'm just bringing that dark shade of purple right there. So, yep, let's clean her up and start on the next step. And y'all already know if I'm doing a white base, it's Gerard Cosmetics all day. Slay. And that's legit, like, their word is slay. And I know why. This clean canvas is just it. Like, this is probably like my third, fourth pot. It is a repurchase for sure. Now, this is a very different way of me doing my eyeshadow. And I really did like how the first one came out. I'm hoping it all looks good once it comes together. But the only way to evolve as an MUA is to continuously improve on your skills and grow and learn and not be stuck in the same repetitive techniques. Is there anything wrong with using the same techniques? No. I'm just saying, personally, being I got my platforms to help others, I gotta help myself in learning first so I can help teach others. See how gorgeous that is? Now, instead of going in with a shimmer like I normally would, I'm gonna go in with this beautiful blue right here because we are doing like a springtime look. And I'm not going to go all the way up to that line. I'm going to leave a little gap. And it don't have to be perfect. I'm going to go in and clean it up anyways. So I'm not really too stressed about how even or if it's precise. Because I will take a Q-tip and clean it up to make sure that line is exactly what I want. It's a perfectionist in me. Okay, so y'all see. I went in with this right here, awake, just to lay down on the side, and then I went in with Pixie on top, and then I went back over here and just darkened it up just a tad, because I just wanted it just a tad darker. I need another Q-tip, hold on. Okay, so I'm just cleaning up right here, making sure all this is even the way I want it to be. Then I'm going to go in with a nice little liner brush and the Karma Cosmetics gel, glitter gel, because you want a nice little grip. Any glitter gel will work. I highly recommend the NYX if you have it. It's super affordable. I do like this glitter gel. So that's the second time I've used it. Again, it's a gel. Just lining that bad boy like that. Then you want to go in with your shimmer. And I like to use a nice little like packy brush. And I'm going with that shade right there. This is Karma Cosmetics shimmer, and I'll be right back. We're done. What do y'all think? This is the final look. I did do like a little wrap up of everything that's on my face. So if you would like to see each product that I used, I do show that in like a little quick get ready with me. Yeah. I really do like how this look came out. Super, super fun. I can't wait to try another look like this with a couple more different colors. But I love y'all, and I will see y'all over my video. Don't forget to go check out my YouTube video where it's full details on this look. And yeah. Bye.